Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Virgos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that reading. So that may answer some questions or doubts you have in your mind about your circumstances, Virgos. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Fool in reverse, Judgment in reverse, and Alchemist of Spheres. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your career situation or maybe in your relationship, today you have something that is not clear, something that is what to say, making you distracted or making you aimless. You don't know what to do, which way to go, or what to decide. So, some kind of distractions, carelessness in your circumstances today. And you don't know what to decide, maybe. You have some important decisions to be made today, but don't know what is the right thing, which way to go. So some kind of confusion, doubts are there in your mind, and maybe you are what to say, thinking too much about something. It may be the case in your relationship. So you have to make a decision about this relationship, whether you want this person or not. So the choice is yours, but circumstances are not very clear. You don't know what to decide, and you are thinking too much, analyzing this relationship too much. So, if you want to make a honest decision today, Virgos, you must think with your heart, not with your head. So, that will not give you clarity. So, in the matters of the heart regarding this relationship, it will be right if you feel what is the right thing to do today. Maybe think deeply whether you love this person, whether it is what you have on this person is true love. Maybe on certain circumstances you would have been really disappointed in this connection, felt left out or felt lonely even though you were with them. So that is what is making you rethink about this relationship, whether you want this connection, whether you want this person. So you are just waiting. Maybe you are waiting for that person to leave you or waiting for them to decide for the fate of this relationship. So you don't want to make a choice for yourself. But today you are someone who will be able to make the right choice because you are someone with that strength and determination, Virgos. And I see that you will get clarity if you think for yourself deep down within your heart of hearts. You have the answers you need today, Virgos. Whether you want this person or not, you have the answer right within you. So we'll see what is the card for your relationship. It's 10 of Suns. So this looks like a positive card here. Maybe you are thinking about this person, maybe the important decision you are making about this relationship, maybe about a marriage or commitment. But you have certain things you need to overcome. You need to adapt yourself. And only if you are able to adapt yourself, overcome all these struggles or obstacles that you're seeing in this connection, this relationship will move towards marriage or commitment. You will be, what to say, you will be reaping the harvest today, Virgos. So you need to wait, you need to be patient if you want to reap the harvest or the greater rewards of this relationship. You need to be patient, you need to overcome all these obstacles and struggles, whatever bitterness, whatever disappointments you have in this connection, you need to overcome all that. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your career circumstances. We picked one card and it is Prophetess of Moons in reverse. So in your work circumstances, there is a person you would have trusted them or you are trusting them to be someone reliable, someone who will make the right decisions for you. But this person is guiding you in the wrong way. So you need to be careful if you are making important choices depending on their ideas or suggestions. You need to be very careful in your career situation, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. We will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have mending. So in your circumstances today, maybe it is time for you to heal yourself. Maybe you have been through a difficult circumstance or you're going through a difficult heartbreak, and grief strips away our mask and loosens us, and sometimes we are so vulnerable, and it allows to see that we are part of a larger scheme called life, and we are part of that universe that is here, um, taking part in our pain and suffering, and none of us are immune to pain and suffering. So this sadness and sorrow, it breaks our heart open, and we will feel more sympathetic, empathetic, and we depend on others when we are really vulnerable, having a lot of pain, a lot of difficulty to deal with our situation, guys. So that is the energy here. So even that pain, it has a learning that comes to us that changes us in so many ways, and it changes us to something better. And maybe today we can change our circumstance, all this pain we are going through. Maybe we are with this person, or maybe we are separate, whatever the situation may be. Both of us are being affected, being hurt, and we feel that impact of this pain and sadness. So, this energy needs to be healed, and you need to overcome this. What to do? It is time for you to forgive or to release all that hurt, all that negative feelings you have, and make amends to set yourself free first. So it is not uh, to change some circumstance, it is we are helping ourselves first when we give up all these toxic feelings of pain and hurt, regret or sadness, resentments, arguments, whatever it may be, when we go through it again and again in our heart of hearts, in our memory, we are increasing the burdens we have, and we will feel more negative, more sad, and more heavy hearted. So, if you want to change all that, you need to go for forgiveness, and you need a honest redress. That is what this card is about. So, if you feel that someone has wronged you, you can forgive them. Or if you feel that you have wronged someone, you can ask sorry, make amends, and move forward with your life. So, that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So, let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys. It is Labradorite. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe you must, give up all that fear you have in this relationship and be open, remain open to something unknown, something magical to happen in this connection, because conscious universe is here to help you and guide you in this relationship, and it is creating this magical magical connection with this person. So that loving partnership that you are dreaming about, this is the time for that. So your relationship has a great potential. You may not understand it, but this is an opportunity for you to experience that magic in this relationship. Or it is an important opportunity that will prepare you for something magical coming in your life, coming in your love life that you deserve. And you need to give up that need for certainty, need for things to go in the way you expect them to go. So when we are open to some changes, open to something unexpected, we will see guidance coming in our life, guidance helping in our relationship, and when we leave room for magic, something beautiful is waiting to unfold today that will point you towards the right direction, point you towards the right actions, and will make this relationship a loving one, a deserving one, something you deserve the most. So, you need to let that conscious universe or God or that higher spirit help you to co create it today. So, when you give up all that expectations in this connection, that is what is going to happen today, guys. And this crystal spirit, it helps us to see things that we do not see normally. Maybe it just means that we must see things with our heart, not with our mind. When we do that, we will see a beautiful world, a beautiful circumstance today. And that is the energy with this crystal spirit card for y'all, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.